Good morning, students. Today our topic is find a rank of a word, given word. Suppose it is in that permutation combinations, intermediate secondary topic. Okay, now P-R-I-S-O-N. This is the word. You have to find the rank of this word. Okay, now in easy method, means shortcut method. It is useful in IIT mains and MSET level. It is that very easily within 1 minute we have to solve this question. So to find the rank of prison, PRISY, how to do this one? Actually, the prison having, okay, now by using this one you have to permutate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So 6 factorial. There are 720 words are there. In these 720 words, you have to identify in dictionary order, you have to ordering, then what the rank of prison, you have to say this. So what is the procedure you have to take? Means, first of all, you have to given a word, you have to write down PRISON. After that, what you have to do means, it is that in alphabetical order, you have to arrange that one. So INOPRS, you have to write down in alphabetical order. I comes first in these letters. After that, NOPRS. So first of all, you have to take a shortcut method. You will say that. So P, it will be started with P. So P before there are 3 letters will be there. So the answer is, you have to say this 3 into P after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So 5 factorial. Here onwards, the next one is 4 factorial, next one is 3 factorial, next one is 2 factorial, next one is 1 factorial. After that, last the rank, the prison is 1. So next one, R. You have to take the round of R. How many letters before that R? 1, 2, 3. So 3 letters are there. Okay, don't take P again. After that, I before there is no letter, so you have to take the 0. After that, S before only 2 letters are there, N and O, so you have to take the 2. After that, you will take that O before only 1 letter is there, so 1 into 1 factorial. And N before there is no letter, so lastly you have to put +1. +1 means prison, that one. So you have to take 3 into 5 factorial is nothing but 120. 4 factorial, 3 into 4 factorial is nothing but 4 6 ja 24, means it is the 0, and 2 into 2 4, 1 into 1 1, and this is also 1. So the answer, you have to say this 360. Okay, now, and 24 3s are 72, 4 1 1. You have to say this 362 4 6 7 8 and 3 and 4. So 438 is the answer. Okay. Okay, next one more we will take in the prison. We will do this method. And suppose I have to take one more, master. MASTER. The word, you have to find out the rank of the word master. The step is nothing but a master. You have to arrange that in alphabetical order. It is nothing but a E, M, R, S, T. So total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So you have to start it with 5 factorial onwards. 5 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial, 0 factorial, +1 you have to take. So first of all, M before, how many letters are there? There are 2 letters are there. So you have to take the 2 into 5 factorial. And A before, there is no letter is there. So 0 into 4 factorial. And take S before only 2 letters are there. You have to take 2 into 3 factorial. And take T, there are only 2 letters are there. So you have to take 2 into 2 factorial. E before, there is no letter, 0. R before, there is no letter, 0. So lastly you have to take master having that one word. So 5 factorial is nothing but 120, 120 into 2, 240. And this is nothing, 0 will be there. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4. These are all nothing will be there. So 1, 240, 252, 256, 257. Is it clear? We will go with one more example. And in this only, I will take that master is over. So I have to take one more word, remast. REMAST, the rank. Find the rank of remast. So again you have to take the same word, so same alphabets order of there, AEMRST. So first of all you have to take 5 factorial, next 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 plus 1. So R before, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 5 factorial. After that E before, only one letter is there, that is A. So 1 into 4 factorial. M before also one letter is there, so 1 into 3 factorial. A before there is no letter, so 0 into 2 factorial. S before nothing will be there, and T before also nothing will be there, so the value will be taken lastly 1. So 120 into 3, it is 120 into 3, 360. 4 factorial, 24 into 1, 24. 3 factorial, 6 into 1, 6. Here nothing, nothing, nothing plus 1. Once you have to observe, this is the 30 and 360, 390, 390 plus 1, 391. Okay, now? Is it clear? And one more. What is the rank of Chiru? I had to ask that one question. What is the rank of Chiru? CHIRE. So, first of all, you have to take the order also. CHIRU will be there. There is nothing will be there. So, both are the same. All will be getting as 0. But lastly, you have to take this one plus 1. So, the rank is 1. The rank is 1. You have to take it. And one more. Inter. INTER. So, first of all, you have to arrange this alphabetical order. First, it will come C, I think. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So this is the order. So here only 5 letters are there. So you have to start it with 4 factorial onwards. 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial, 0 factorial plus 1 will be there. So before I, only 1 letter is there. So 1 into 4 factorial. Before N, only 1 is there. So 1 into 3 factorial. Before T, there are 2 letters are there, so 2 into 2 factorial. Before E, only nothing will be there, so 0 into R before also nothing will be there, so you have to take them like this. So 4 factorial is nothing but 24, 3 factorial is nothing but 6, 2 factorial is nothing but 4, 2 into 2, 4, and these are all nothing will be there, so 1, 24, 30, 34 plus 1, 35. So the rank of inter, you have to take in 35. Okay. Good morning, students. In earlier class, we had to discuss the find the rank of the word. Here the letters are without repetition. But you have to observe here E, A, M, C, E, T. In this word, there are 2 E's are there. Then how to find the rank of this word? Today question that one. So let us say that first of all you have to arrange in alphabetical order. First it will come say, after that C, after E, there are 2 E's are there, 2 E's you have to written, after that M and T. So that one first number is nothing but E. So I have to take in the first E only. So here there are 2 letters are there, A and C. So 2 into. So last time we will take in as 5 factorial. Here also you have to take 5 factorial. But if you have to start it with E means there are 5 letters are there, C, E, E, M, T. In this there are 2 are repeated. So you have to take that by 2 factorial. Okay na? So once you have to observe this, if you have to take A or C, whatever it may be, okay na? The remaining letters, 5 letters are there, 5 letters can be arranged in their 5 factorial ways, but in this there are 2 E's are there, so you have to take that by 2 factorial. After that, E is over, A. there is nothing will be there, so 4 factorial, and after that m before 2 letters are there, so 2 into, okay na, 3 factorial comes, and c before there is nothing will be there, 2 factorial, e before nothing will be there, 0 into 1 factorial, and t before also not there, so lastly you put 1. So answer is nothing but a 5 factorial is nothing but 120, and nothing, 2 into 6 12, nothing, lastly plus 1, so 133. The rank of the word MCET is nothing but a 133. Okay na? So only one time it will be possible. After E getting, there is no letter will be repeated, A, M, C, A, T, so there is no problem other words. Okay, thank you.